From out of all the heroes of the land, there comes a mighty Manitoba man. He left his home in Carberry for Edmonton, Alberta, where he went to school and soon became a man. Now Orville and Wilbur Wright had come to fame, and every night he dreamt about their name. And when for men there came a cry, he bid the folks at home goodbye to join the war and fly an aeroplane. Wapme, Wapme, he met the old Red Baron far away. Wapme, Wapme, the top Canadian pilot of the day. Wapme, the top Canadian pilot of the day. He played the old Red Baron for a clown until the German chased him all around. Loop for loop and dive for dive, the Baron was so occupied he never saw the plane that shot him down. Of all the German planes that ever flew, the Wap had chopped a dozen or more in two. And when they finally won the war, said the British Flying Corps, the Flying Cross we now present to you. Wapme, Wapme, he won the Flying Cross and took it away. Wapme, Wapme, you're the top Canadian pilot of the day. Wapme, the top Canadian pilot of the day. When home again to Edmonton he came, he set the hearts all over the land aflame. To Fort Vermilion he was bound to stop the plague and save the town. With medicine he flew in by aeroplane. Then up along the old Mackenzie Trail, to Aklavik he flew the Northern Mail. And when he helped the Mounties track the man they thought they'd never catch, why even the King of England heard the tales. Wapme, Wapme, got a medal from the King and heard him say, Wapme, Wapme, you're the top Canadian pilot of the day. Wapme, the top Canadian pilot of the day. Now when the Second War it did arrive, from 1939 to 45, he told the pilots, every one, the proper way to man the gun, and he taught them how to fly and stay alive. And when the States were losing many planes far across the Northland's terrain, they all came out from Washington to see the man from Edmonton form the famous search and rescue team. Wapme, Wapme, received a medal from the USA. Wapme, Wapme, you're the top Canadian pilot of the day. Wapme, you're the top Canadian pilot of the day. I left Cape Breton on the coal boat for St. John's, Newfoundland, and I met a little girl named Sally, and I took her by the little white hand. She shook her little head and said, no way, Fred, I won't go along with your plan. You've been working on a coal boat, boy, and you're nothing but a dirty old man. You've been working on a coal boat, boy, and you're nothing but a dirty old man. Well, I had to think of something real fast, you know. Yeah, well, I'm gonna quit the dirty coal boat. I wanna live in Newfoundland. I'll buy a suit and get married. Put a ring upon your little white hand. She nodded her head and said, okay, Fred. Sally went along with the plan. But I'm still working on the coal boat, boy, and I'm nothing but a dirty old man. I'm still working on the coal boat, boy, and I'm nothing but a dirty old man. It was some time later on the coal boat, I got a little letter from home. Sally said Freddie was a good boy, but the little beggar wanted to roam. She said it's too bad that he's got you for a dad, and I hope that you feel real grand. He's gone working on the coal boat, boy, to be just like his dirty old man. He's gone working on the coal boat, boy, to be just like his dirty old man. Well, I left Cape Breton on the coal boat for St. John's, Newfoundland, and good old Sally was a-waiting and I took her by the little white hand. She shook her little head and said, "No way, Fred, I won't go along with your plan. You ain't gonna quit the coal boat way, 'cause I loves you, you dirty old man. You ain't gonna quit the coal boat way, 'cause I loves you, you dirty old man." So come all young fellers on the coal boat, I hope you're gonna understand. If you got a pretty little girlfriend and you take her by the little white hand, if she turns her back and says, "No way, Jack, I won't go along with your plan," just keep working on the coal boat way if you wants to be a dirty old man. Just keep working on the coal boat way and you'll be nothing but a dirty old man.